Dreaming of creating apps for iPhones and beyond? Want to create cool apps with just one set of code? If yes, you're in for a treat. Welcome to the Programming Hub, wherein we teach you coding in different frameworks. In a rapidly evolving digital landscape, the ability to code isn't just a skill, it's a superpower. Welcome to our channel, where we are dedicated to empower minds through the art and science of coding and development. Also, if you are new here and want to level up your coding skills, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Here's a breakdown of Swift versus Flutter to help you decide which is better for your iOS app development. Swift focuses only on iOS development and has a vast community that makes it easier to find, help, and utilize resources in coding. However, it's not a cross-platform framework, so you need to develop for both iOS and Android. Let's talk about Flutter. Flutter allows you to build from a single code base for both iOS and Android apps, saving time and resources. Flutter's hot reload feature lets you see changes in your code getting reflected in the running app almost instantly, speeding up your development. Flutter comes with UI widgets that create beautiful and user-friendly UIs. Coming to the drawbacks of Flutter, Flutter apps tend to have a larger size. That's because of the inclusion of the Flutter engine. How Flutter can help in becoming an iOS developer. Here's how learning our Flutter course can benefit someone interested in iOS app development. There are 3 foundational skills to become an iOS developer. Skill number 1. Flutter core development is mobile app development. Concepts like UI design, state management, user interaction, and data handling. Skill number 2. Creating apps would require you to develop programming and problem-solving skills. Skill number 3 is learning object-oriented programming. Now, using which tool you can do iOS app development? Flutter supports both Android Studio and Visual Studio with a Flutter extension and can be configured as a development environment for Flutter. They provide features like code editing, debugging, and hot reload, which significantly speed up your development. Building for iOS, however, requires you to install Xcode, which is Apple's software specific to macOS. How hard iOS development can be? Learning iOS development just by watching random videos and blogs can be challenging for the following 3 reasons. Reason number 1 is not having a structured learning. You might jump between topics without a foundational understanding, making it difficult to retain information. Structured courses will present information in a logical sequence, building your knowledge step by step. Reason number 2 is incompleteness. Random videos and blogs might not cover everything you need to know. You might miss crucial concepts or find outdated information. Following a well-regarded curriculum or certification program will ensure you learn the essential skills and stay up to date with coding practices. Reason number 3, gaps in understanding. If you get stuck on a concept, it can be tough to find the specific help you need with random resources. Now coming to paid courses generally have a higher quality. In fact, the paid courses are often developed by professional instructors who have expertise in a framework. The concept tends to be more in-depth and up-to-date. Paid courses come with bonus features like quizzes, coding challenges, practice projects, and even certificates of completion. Talking about our course, we talk about solid foundation. In topic number 1, we cover Flutter basics. Mastering widgets is crucial for Flutter development. Our course covers Flutter fundamentals, ensuring you understand the core programming concepts used throughout the Flutter development. Widget basics. Flutter provides a powerful animation framework for creating smooth and dynamic transitions in your app UI. We have covered the most of the commonly used animations and dialogues in our course. Building dynamic apps. Flutter apps rely heavily on state management to keep the UI in sync with data changes. Learning various techniques empower you to choose the right approach for different scenarios, leading to a cleaner and more maintainable code. Architecture. Understanding software architecture provides you with a structured and a predictable way to manage application logic and data flow. This can significantly improve the organization and testability of your Flutter project. Talking about the overall advantages you get is a broad skill set. By covering these areas, our course equips you with a well-rounded skill set for Flutter development. Efficient learning, we help you grasp complex topics efficiently. Confident development will help you in getting the confidence to create an app with a solid foundation. Now, how much salary you can expect? Well, according to our research, mobile developers have an average salary of $87,820 per year. Now, we would say that you can share this video with your friends, family, and anyone else who might benefit from learning about coding. Together, we can spread the knowledge and empower more minds to join the community. Happy Fluttering!